Bullish land exemplary. Lunc cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.000407 and $0.000769 by 2030. Market experts accept Lunc could reach $0.000317 by 2025. Bearish land exemplary market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.000072. Land exemplary. Lunc presentation. A difficult person of digital currencies for clients and brokers is the outrageous value instability of the resources. The energy and recurrence of developments inside a brief period can be unnerving for new and transient financial backers. The longing for a moderately steady cryptographic money that mirrors the value dependability of the fiat monetary market, while holding the protection, security, and speed of digital currencies like Bitcoin, prompted the improvement of land exemplary. Land exemplary was sent off in 2018 and conveyed its blockchain in 2019. The stablecoin innovation stage joins the general value security of certifiable government-issued types of money with the protection qualities of Bitcoin (BTC). Furthermore, it would send quick and reasonable exchanges through its UST stable money. What is land exemplary? Lunc. Land Luna exemplary is a public decentralized blockchain convention. Land exemplary fueled the UST, Land's algorithmic stablecoin, TUST, which sadly got depegged and dove to seemingly its demise because of unstable economic situations, occasioned and increased by the crypto downturn of 2022. In May, the Luna exemplary crashed, bringing about the fork of the land exemplary into two separate chains of the Land Luna exemplary cost forecast and the Land chain. Land is an open-source blockchain. CertiK ensured the demonstrating and numerical thinking of the organization as sound in 2019. Not long after the Land exemplary's mainnet was sent off. The Land exemplary has since shaken off the smell of death left by seemingly the unexpected destruction of the UST and put into high gear processes that would push the digital currency towards the accomplishment of its objectives, despite the fact that without the UST, while the new Land chain will zero in on fostering the most progressive UI plans began by the Land exemplary through the help of the Luna people group, maniacs, and desires to top and rise above the outcome of Land exemplary, who at one point involved the subsequent situation on DeFi's rundown of most elevated coin by locked absolute worth TVL. Land exemplary. Lunc will keep on propelling its organization to help the improvement of decentralized applications. The confirmation of stake agreement calculation abilities. Land. This calculation depends on the Tendermint tech, which permits holders to stake their Lunc resources as pledges for an opportunity to approve exchanges on the Land organization and get compensates relatively proportionate with the worth of their marked resources. Land exemplary is right now worth $0.000091 United States dollars. Lunc has moved 1.77% as of now with an exchanging volume of $28,993,530. Land exemplary is right now positioned 74 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $527,170,341 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling difference, MACD. From the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Land exemplary, Lunc to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Land exemplary, Lunc, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2023. Land exemplary, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Lunc. The Lunc cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.000136. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous. However, no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.000127 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon, given expected joint efforts and progressions. Lunc is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000109. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Land exemplary Lunc cost expectation has a lot of space for extension because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives We guess that the cost of Lunc will before long outperform $0.000226. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Lunc's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Lunc will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.000181 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.000199. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025. It could reach $0.000317 and Lunc might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Lunc is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.000229 and a low of $0.000272 in 2025. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2026. On the off chance that land exemplary effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the Lunc coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Lunc will be green in 2026. The Lunc is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.000407 with a base cost of $0.000362 and a typical cost of $0.00038. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Lunc cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.000471 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.000453 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Lunc has a greatest value worth of $0.000498. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.000561. On the off chance that Lunc figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.000588. Neglecting to assemble the help Lunc needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.000543. Land exemplary, Lunc, value forecast 2029. While Lunc is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.000634 and a yearly cost close above $0.000679 in 2029. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2030 by 2030. Land exemplary will at long last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.000724 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.000769, averaging out at $0.00